Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be setting up for Harper's first birthday party. It's ONEder the Sea theme, so come with me and decorate. No. Going to start blowing up balloons. I can't believe she's already almost 1 year old. It's just been such a whirlwind of a year. I feel like we've learned so much. It's just been amazing to grow her from being a newborn infant, 6 pounds, up until now, walking and learning, talking, saying all these new things. It's just been such a journey for us to learn, and I feel like we've come so far. I also have been nursing, which I am starting to wean and wind down on, so I think it's just been emotional because of that and everything all at once, but also really is such an amazing thing to be a parent and be able to learn how to take care of a baby. I've learned so much from resources online from other moms, but I am excited to plan for this birthday party and celebrate all the way we've come and celebrate Harper's first birthday party. We are doing a mermaid theme, so I'm going to start blowing up my balloons here for her balloon arch. This is my very first time ever doing it, so we'll see how it goes, but I'm gonna start blowing them up here, and then I'll start bringing them over after her nap to start setting it up and putting. Excited for you to come with me and get ready for Harper's birthday party. In the video, I got this balloon pump off Temu. So basically I took all these balloons and I saw that the long ones were necessary for tying the special way on TikTok. So I was trying to follow what all the videos said. I had to keep stopping and checking since this was my first time, but typically I will be able to do this much better next time. I really have never done anything like this, and I learned a lot. The balloons were able to be blown up by the pump, which I did not realize, and I had a huge hard time with those. So the long ones I tried my hardest to pump up, but it really was not ideal. So I decided to give up and use them as ties for the balloon hack, which worked way better. I think if I did this a second time that I would be able to do it much quicker and better. But this little balloon piece right here I tried to put together, and then I needed some help because I have never built a little tower like this. So this was probably the worst part of the arch. The rest of it I kind of figured out as I went.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
So this was the final product. I did my best with that little piece, but I feel like I could have done better. And then with the balloon hack, I was able to make this arch, which I'm actually super happy with. I will link everything that I used below, but I used a lot of the photo backdrop clips to secure it to the wall. And then I just did balloons in sets of 2, and I made little tiny towers, and I clipped them all together. I am really super happy with how it came out. It's party day. I am just getting ready doing my makeup. I just did my hair. I have these cute little shirts that we're all going to be wearing, and I am going to do my makeup now, some mermaid theme makeup. So I will talk to you guys while I apply my makeup. Did do the balloon arch. I did not film myself doing it because I have never done it before, so it really was an adventure, and I feel like now I could build one really well and quick with that. Thank goodness that they have the videos on TikTok for how to do it, because that way is so much quicker, I feel like, than the regular way, which I did start doing, but then I ran out of the really long balloons because I didn't actually buy them. I just had some from the kit that I bought that I wasn't using. So next time I definitely would buy the long balloons and then Also, those little clips, photo backdrops, was really helpful to hold up the backdrop, but I did have to install it inside, which I was kind of hoping I could like attach it to the side of the tent outside, but I wasn't able to do that just because I wasn't sure about the weather, and also it did rain this morning, so we can't really do a lot of it until today, but I think we can have most of the party outside. For my makeup, I was thinking of doing like a purple and light blue or aqua eye. We have a lot of extra hands helping us. Harper's been like on and off kind of fussy, but I think she's definitely teething, and hopefully she'll be in a good mood for later. I'm using this Huda. Just kind of did a smoky eye purple version, and then they have this little sticky stuff in one of the squares, which is for their super glitter ones. And I really like the glitters. Of all the different glitters I've used, this one is the most pigmented. And then pick one of the glitters, and there's like a pink green one that I use a lot, but today I'm going to use this purpley one. And you see how like shiny that goes on. I'm pretty much done my makeup. I might pack a little just to touch up the glitter right before the party. And I'm going to go wake up the baby now, give her some milk, and get ready for the party. So this was the final product. Here is the gorgeous cake. I was absolutely obsessed with it. And then we ordered some barbecue catering, so we had all that laid out for our guests. I just really could not believe how beautifully they did the cake. We got some cute netting to put out on some sparkles. You can never have enough sparkles, right? And there was our barbecue. That was a hit for sure. And then I just got this cute little picture thing that I can put in her room for later. I recommend having a mermaid first birthday party. So thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe. Till my shadow turns to sun rays.